Are you curious about Richway's BioBelt and wondering if that might be the perfect farm for red product for you? I'll be sharing more in this video. Hello and welcome. My name is Jennifer Lyle. I'm the Chief Vitality Officer with Live Healthy, and I've been representing the Richway product since 2008. This is a great product called the BIoBelt. It is a small farm for red heating pad that's about 7.5 inches. Well, it's about 8 inches, but the heating part is about 7.5 inches. And this area here where the heating element is about 15 inches. It goes about 17 inches all the way across. It has a Velcro belt that runs through a pocket in the back so that you can wrap this around your back, your abdomen, your shoulder, your knee, or another injured area where you want to apply heat. It has a series of crystals in it. There are 8 crystals in it, including amethyst, tourmaline, jade, citrine, elvan, tiger's eye, and topaz. And it also gives off negative ions and far infrared rays. What's great about this product is that with the BIoBelt, it will strap to a part of your body. So you can literally wrap it around your waist. And you can apply it, have it firmly attached to whatever part of your back or your abdomen that you would like it to be attached to. Now, this means that you could be still typing at your desk, reading a book, relaxing, watching a movie, but you are attached by a power cord because this is heated. This is the control panel, and it ranges from the temperature ranges from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can use this temperature up or temperature down to adjust the temperature. Now, you're going to want to make sure that you have consulted with your healthcare practitioner to make sure that applying heat to the area where you want to apply heat to is appropriate, because sometimes heat isn't a great idea. But if you have muscle spasms, stiffness, back pain, or you just want to improve the circulation on a particular area, this will provide temporary relief for while it's applied to you. Now, you can also use this BIoBelt. Oh, one more thing I wanted to share. Even though you are attached here, you could unplug it, or you could take it off if you have to go to the washroom, or you could unplug it here. This is where the controller connects into the BIoBelt. So you could unplug it here and leave it attached to you and go and do what you need to do, come back, and then plug it back in when you're ready. It's as easy as that. Some other wonderful ways that you could be using the BIoBelt include wrapping it around your shoulder, and then using the strap to hold it in place. So again, you have some freedom to be able to do whatever you want, but it holds it in place for you. And it's nice that it wraps it around both sides. You could also wrap it around a knee or an ankle if applying heat is appropriate. So for me, if the knee where you wanted to apply it to was at the top of the knee, for me it wraps around twice. And then it's firmly in place. And again, you could be sitting down or lying down and just relaxing and enjoying whatever it is you want to do while the BIoBelt helps the affected area. This is a great tool that you could use to add to your collection if you have often have maybe a lingering injury and you just want to get some alleviation from some stiffness or some pain that you often have there. Or it could also be a complement to some of the other Richway products like the BioMat, the mini BioMat that you can sit on, or the professional size or larger, where you can lie down and actually sleep on it at nighttime, and you could be using the BIoBelt during the day. If you have any questions about the Rich Weight products, including the BIoBelt, I'm happy to answer them. You can visit my website, livhealthy.tv, and you can reach me there. Thank you so much for your listening. Happy to help you with answering any questions that you might have about any of the Rich Weight products, and I hope you have a healthy day.